Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another unboxing. The unboxing that I'm doing today is from the July 1st collection. Today is July 4th, so happy 4th of July, guys. Hope you guys had a safe and amazing 4th. So you're gonna hear explosions in the background because they literally delivered my bag today. Outside in the rain. So my original box was destroyed and I was kind of upset about it. So my husband reboxed it with another box for me so I can do an unboxing with you guys. So got my box cutter. Let's open it. Oh, that was sweet of him. He actually taped it up for us. Okay. What tape he used? Because my goodness. Our box cutter is getting dull. I said might as well unbox it because I might use it. Never know what I'm gonna be doing today. I might have to do a store run, liquor store run, whatever. Okay. So this is the box, and as you can see what I got. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. These last few drops, I hadn't really picked up anything because I'm really not seeing anything. And now I feel like they're just forcing styles and forcing stuff that really ain't worth it. I'm like, I ain't seeing it. And then in the, what's the next drop? Is it the end of this month or the August drop? I don't know. But like I say, dang, y'all tore it open. I wasn't going to rip it. I'm starting to rip it. Oh, well, we're already here. Let's just open it. Because she's cute. I wasn't going to get it. I really was not going to get it. And I sent it to my husband. So like, tell me it's ugly. Tell me it's ugly. He was like, nah, it actually look cool. You should get it. Y'all, red is one of my favorite colors, red and pink. I didn't get anything from the pink drop. I don't know why, but okay. So y'all, she is pretty. This is a pretty color. Ooh, this is gorgeous. So I got the signature Rowan satchel in the color crimson. I know this is not paying off. I'll get some shots for you guys outside, but isn't she pretty? This is really pretty, y'all. This is cute. Oh my goodness, she's gorgeous. Did you guys score anything from the drop? Let's see what she looks like in the inside. Red through and through. Y'all can see that. Red through and through. I don't know, because y'all know I'm like a brown, black bag girl. I stick to like the normal stuff because I'm like, I don't want to spend all that money and really don't use these bags like that. Because I have that Merlot. Is that called Merlot? I don't know. That burgundy one that came out with that was like, I ain't used it yet. But yeah, y'all, this is my unboxing. Sorry, this is going to be really quick. Like I said, it's the 4th. And I am cleaning up and preparing for guests to come. I just wanted to step on really quick and show you guys the bag. Happy 4th of July, y'all. Bye. Isn't she pretty? Oh, and since I spoke to you guys about, see all the purses sitting here in my face. You know, I bought this one, and I told you guys this was one that I had on my bucket list that I had to get. So I got that one. Then I went to Florida because I couldn't find it on the website, and I purchased my other bucket list item. I think I talked to you guys about it in the vacation vlog, but this is it. How do I feel about it? I cannot stand the slouch on this bag. Maybe I need to stuff my purse with more stuff, but I really don't care. It is slouchy. It looks good carrying it like this, but if you was to carry it like this up under your arm, that's what it's giving. So yeah, that's that. So back to the start of the show for this week. I'll see you guys later. Happy 4th.